Hi everyone, I'm Christina and today we are going to take a look at how do I ask for a new token for a client. For this, let's go inside Squirrly Social. Then let's go over here to manage social profiles, and now we can see the social media profiles over here. If a client's social media profile needs to be reconnected, for example, if their token expired, all you have to do is click on this button, reconnect. This will prompt the client to reauthorize the connection, generating a new token and restoring full functionality. So let's click on the button. And that's basically all that you had to do. Just click on the button. Let me show you once again over here on this account. You just have to authorize the application once again. And it's that simple. So all that you have to do is basically click on this reconnect button next to the profile, the social media profile that you want to reconnect. So thank you for tuning in. Stay creative, stay inspired, and keep optimizing your online presence. Until next time.